Our CES 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon. Help support our content by going to PLuGHiTzLive.com/Amazon.
Allante here, CES 2018. I'm here with Frank at XYZprinting. We're here to talk about some very interesting 3D printing products we have going on here. You've got two things to show us today, right?
Yes, yeah.
So I believe the Goliath we're sitting in front of is more of the commercial machine, correct?
Correct. Over here is a DaVinci Color, full color 3D printer with full color 3D scanner built in. Pricing of $4,000 that will be targeted toward small and medium businesses and professional consumers.
Now let me ask. Now I see that it's got the full CMYK printing like a standard printer. So how many color, what's the color range that you can get?
Yes, the DaVinci Color uses XYZprinting's proprietary 3D color jet technology, able to produce up to 16 million different color shades.
That's beautiful. So it sounds like you can create just about anything.
Yes, pretty much anything that your home 2D printer can create will have the same color features on it.
Awesome. Now I saw the product where it's you've got kind of like that chain link mesh with like the Mona Lisa and things like famous paintings. What's the technique that you're using to make that?
Yes, to create your 3D object, there's two ways to do it. First, you can 3D design it using CAD software, which stands for computer-aided design software. And with XYZprinting products, you get that for completely free as well.
So it's got some pre-made things that come with the machine.
Yes, correct. With the machine, you will get XYZ Maker. It's a 3D design software, and also access to XYZ Gallery with over 5,000 different downloadable files that you can print right away.
That's pretty amazing. So, what's the time frame that we're looking for when you would like for this to hit the market, or is it already on the market?
Yes, at the moment, the first generation without the full color 3D scanner is already available. You can purchase it from Amazon.com, BestBuy.com, B&H Photos. But for the new generation with the built-in 3D scanner, will be available in Q2, around April 2018.
There's something I'd definitely like to get into. What's going on with the built-in scanner?
The built-in scanner provides a full, complete color 3D scan using a photometric scanning technology. And now you can provide objects such as you can take original object scanned and duplicate it, like on my left-hand side over here. As you can see that the output is almost exactly the same.
So it scans and prints almost almost identical. How long did it take you guys to develop this kind of technology?
Yeah, the DaVinci Color took around 4 years of development time for a company to roll out world's first desktop full-color 3D printer.
Very nice. Did you guys start? So you have two different products. You have the commercial and you have the more consumer-grade one, which we'll talk about shortly. Which one came first?
Well, definitely our company began with the entry-level product first in 2013. But at the same time, we were also developing professional industrial products, such as the DaVinci Color, that we released late Q4 2017.
Awesome. Well, this is fantastic. I definitely look forward to seeing more. I want to play with this and see what I can print. Let's talk about the consumer grade one that you guys are coming out with as well. What are the details with that one?
Yeah, besides our professional grade 3D printer, XYZprinting also offers a line of consumer entry-level 3D printer starting at $229, and it offers an extremely easy-to-use interface with a lot of user-friendly and safety features that will allow a first-time user to easily incorporate and adopt 3D printing at their home.
Now, does this one also come with the 3D printing software, or excuse me, the 3D modeling software and everything, and pre-made models to print?
Yes, correct. With every single XYZprinting product purchase, you will have access to our 3D online gallery. You'll be able to download free 3D design software, and also, in addition, our 3D printing project tutorials that will teach users how to create 3D printing projects and utilize their machine to their max capability.
That's pretty awesome. So it sounds like you guys really took a lot of time to, figure out what the consumer would want as far as starting to get into 3D printing.
Yeah, absolutely. We think that one of the biggest challenge in consumer 3D printing is to provide the resources and materials. So XYZprinting, we provide a complete solution. It's a one-stop shop for consumers, businesses, or professionals.
Absolutely. And what's the time frame for the consumer machine?
The newest DaVinci Nano will be available in around Q2, April, for $229. But meanwhile, XYZprinting provide other entry-level products starting at $249. You can purchase from your major .com online channels.
But for all of this coverage and more for CES 2018, make sure to tune into PLuGHiTzLive.com/CES.